merely the beginning of the birth pangs. And this is not yet the end. So the question is, kailan pa dadating at ano ang sign na mag-end na ang world? Okay, isa-isahin natin na with your help, you tell me, ah. Okay, verse 4. Ano mangyayari? Verse 4.
That no one will teach you.
Why? Verse 5.
For many will come in my name, saying, I am the Christ, and will deceive many.
So there will be
False prophets.
Deception.
They will be misled by false
Prophets.
Christ. Hello? Oh, mga ganyan, ano? Okay, verse 6, what will happen?
You will be hearing of wars and rumors of wars.
Okay, hearing of
Wars.
wars and what?
Rumors.
Rumors of wars. Oh, what else? Next.
Nations will rise against kingdom.
Okay, nations versus nations. And there will be kingdoms versus kingdoms. What else? There will be famines and there will be earthquakes. But Jesus said,